How to log column width on Excel. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to log column width in Excel. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, click on Windows search icon at bottom left and type in Excel and press enter and open Excel. Now simply open a blank workbook and here you can easily press Ctrl A and select all the cells, or simply you can click on the square-like icon between the rows, numbers, and column letters, or simply this button here. And with that, you will successfully uh, select all the cells. Now right-click anywhere on the selection and choose Format Cells. Go to the Protection tab and now choose or make sure the Locked option is on check. And with that, you need to click on OK button. By default, all cells are locked, so this ensures you can customize what you want to protect. And now next step, enable protection for column width only. Go to the Review tab on the ribbon and you need to click on Protect Sheets. And here you need to simply check all the options except for Format Cells. And once you have checked all this option except the format cells, click on OK button. Now once you have done that, this will prevent users from changing the column width but still allow other changes, for example entering data, formatting cells, etc. You can even set a password which is optional, then click on OK button. And now you have to test your protection. However, you'll be able to edit cell content and format them. So with that, you will successfully log column width in Excel. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.